Dear students, today we will study about the spinal cord. First, the morphology of spinal cord. The spinal cord, it is the posterior extension of medulla oblongata. It is well protected inside the vertebral column, that is the neural canal or spinal canal of vertebral column. The spinal cord, it is elongated, cylindrical and soft whitish structure. It is about 42 to 45 centimeters in length and 2 to 2.5 centimeters in thickness. It weighs about 35 grams. Now it is a size of one's little finger. Now the spinal cord, it runs up to the second lumbar vertebra. Along its length, it shows two swellings or two enlargements. First enlargement is called as cervical enlargement and second is called as lumbar enlargement. Now, the spinal cord, it shows or it gives rise to 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Now, the posterior tapering end of the spinal cord in the lumbar region, it is called as conus medullaris. And the posterior terminal end, it is a non-nervous thread-like, it is called as filum terminale. The filum terminale along with the sacral nerves and lumbar nerves forms the horse tail-like structure. So this structure, it is the horse tail-like structure and it is called as the cauda equina. It is called as cauda equina. Now this spinal cord, it is somewhat flattened structure and it is whitish color. Now in the transverse section, in the TS, we can study the spinal cord, it is covered by three meninges. The meninges are outer dura mater, middle arachnoid mater and inside the pia mater. Now these are the three meninges. Now at the center it shows the central canal, which is lined by single layer of ependymal cells. They secrete cerebrospinal fluid in the central canal. Then the surrounding the central canal, there is present a grey matter. The grey matter, it mainly consists of the cell bodies or cyton and non-medulated neurons. The grey matter, it forms the H-shaped structure. It forms two dorsal horns and two ventral horns, and by the transverse commissure, it is connected, that is called as a transverse commissure of grey matter. It forms H-shaped structure. The grey matter is inside and white matter is outside. The outside white matter is divided into funiculi or columns. Due to the grey matter, horns of grey matter, white matter is divided into columns or funiculi. This is the dorsal funiculus, this is ventral funiculus and these are the two lateral funiculi. The dorsal funiculus, it shows mainly the sensory ascending nerve fibers, ascending sensory nerve fibers, while the ventral and lateral funiculi, they shows motor nerve fibers which are descending motor nerve fibers. The white matter mainly consists of medulated nerve fibers. So mainly the dorsal horn, they shows ascending sensory nerve fibers and lateral funiculi and ventral funiculus shows descending motor nerve fibers. So this is the structure of the spinal cord, that is the transverse section of spinal cord. In this, it shows the ventral deep fissure. On the ventral side it shows deep fissure, which is called as the ventral fissure, and this on the dorsal side it shows septum. It is called as the dorsal septum. In the ventral fissure, their blood vessels are also present. So see here, mainly the TS shows outer meninges. In the central canal, surrounding the central canal, the grey matter which forms egg-shaped structure. It forms two dorsal horns and two ventral horns. The grey matter divides the white matter into dorsal funiculus, ventral funiculus and lateral funiculi. Now the dorsal funiculus of white matter consists of ascending sensory nerve fibers. Ventral funiculi consist of the descending motor nerve fibers. So such a spinal cord consists of mainly the funiculi. Now it shows mainly the ventral fissure and dorsal septum. So this is about the TS of spinal cord. Now what are the different functions of spinal cord? Spinal cord, it is the main center of reflex actions, and it mainly connects the brain with the different parts of body. All the impulses, they are mainly transmitted through the spinal cord to and from the brain. So this is the main function of the spinal cord.